Hi there, Dr Sandhu here from Bedford Chiropractic Clinic. Today I have the lovely Elizabeth here with me, and Elizabeth asked me a question that I think is information that everybody needs to know. Now Elizabeth, you're 70 years old.
Or nearly 70.
Nearly 70, and you're a runner and you keep yourself very, very fit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you do classes at gym and everything else. And how long have you been running?
Over 20 years.
Over 20 years, fantastic. So you've been running for 20 years, and have you ever sort of done any kind of sort of exercises, classes, specifically for running, to strengthen your body, to mobilize your hips, your joints, your ankles for running?
No, I haven't.
No, and the reason for the video really is just to help you understand that running is not something that I would recommend you just get up and do. Why? Because every time you land, with every run, every step you're taking, you're putting 3 to 5 times your weight through your ankle, your knee, your hip, your back, and up into your neck. 3 to 5 times your weight is going through those joints. So if you just get up and start running, well, you are more than likely going to hurt yourself sooner or later. What is much, much better, right, if you do want to run, is to give yourself 2 to 3 months of exercises specifically for running, right, before you start running. And also, one of the things to do is to make sure that the exercises that you do are age dependent, because you know, a 60-year-old should not be trying to do what a 20-year-old is doing, or a 30-year-old, or a 40-year-old. I know we all feel that we can and we want to, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be damaging our body more. So we've got to sort of make the exercises suitable for our age, because by doing that, we're going to sort of protect our joints and also sort of help our body to be better. And the golden rule with all exercises, pain is not gain. Pain is not gain. Pain is your body talking to you, telling you that, you know, you've got to stop because you're hurting me. That's all pain is. And pain is the last thing. It's when damage has already occurred. So you've got the ache, you've got the stiffness, you've got the lack of mobility, right? And those are early signs. Pain is the last thing. Now, Elizabeth, you've been running for 20 odd years and you felt pretty good.